ebi mo susu say ade no yen jai kra na ekwan foforo bi wo ho a ebetimi afa so a nanka ebi a yafa so because Bryan Acheampong no yaka ho asema say or politically exposed enti say ye ton bibi sa ade ama no enya ade bebo o man no ene ne dachi doc.
Oh, Evans.
Doc.
Oh, okay. Oh, address here free into yo, me that say. And come over here, depend. Oh, hey, and as I bet top principle. Na, and come on. No craning yami enemy.
To immediately stop the SSNIT Hotels. We take the view that state assets should not be sold, especially profitable ones. Historically, since 1966, the sale of state assets has not been in the supreme interest of Ghana. And we therefore cannot continue on that destructive tragedy.
Afani said the encore for ACA discusses and some way. Edru maybe I know who say a being hidden nim omun tibe ho. I said what you can say said your teenager hono.
Eno ni se
I know said the AC a shishino sifa. And the cray woman say the year could you to a black one more yin no. Mimi kwambro be de me hu se amanyosem bacho what you say amanyosem ena amomde ye de omde no de nti amanyosem no ene se de di kan se mo de to abonten se ye ton aban company ana japadia wo kan twi kasem no Emani ye tan. But what you say? So o kan twi kasa mu a. Emani ye potakasem over simplistic. Said ye na o pesa wo chirichiri mu no. Yes aban adwuma ho. Na ye be kwakofa ankrankre ababe wuram na yamano what is sika ababe wuram na what take percentage of shares ewo mu ana. For example, your Ghana Ports and Harbors Authority ye abina nkasa dwuma ya setting up ye na ye de hwe say ye ports niema crofo import by duty or mutua san hye no san ne menina I buy na build this high infrastructure edrum pempen so bia opese wutri mane ye kese said ye be ya sika obenye free mu no so be ye kese aban ni sika what you say na fe wafa kwan papa so enye de bukata na ekoso Emma Vincent Balorino. What you say? Fakwan papa so e de ato abonten I go through process. Na omo enso so ewo interest no mu nyina enso so abe apply. Ya to ebo assess screening omo na choose. Nipa bako. Ya making sure say and she say wo hu ni nyina no e watertight na e dia mani pakro aban stick e wom papa ko for no propose 30%. Ira John Dramani Mahama batweba 15%. What you say? Yes nanka sa private capital na bamu no na ka papa ko for agreement or the proposal was 20 years. Ira John Dramani Mahama ebetwin from 20 years to 35 years. What you say? And we are going through it right now. Ghana Ports and Harbors Authority. And an initiative, sa Akoma. Again, say ye ka etono so angle back one. Ye kasa mo na me kan me di church mu akọ different angles no. And they say na wo Ghana Commercial Bank e wo ho. And na ne yesan wo SSNIT, SIC, State Insurance Company, and so ewo ho. Mama ye rem fi say omo mienu nyina no norm ye 100% government or friend saying businesses. Exactly. And na buying etu anamo say ehia say yetimi ediska wuram na omo bati eyedin na etimi dijuma so enyam faso said de beya aban en tokos emoka ma befie bedrum be kra na gu na enwuma manfo ye kra na enwuma na palm and all of that. So one option was that any yenye den yen listen or stock exchange na yimie kwan nto na yemfa ankra sika nye den emewuram. Evans, Cecilia Minutu aye kasai, one of the success stories. Ewo omaimu. Efa ankrankra womu edi womu jitri abewura aban dwumam. Amana gina yie. Amana bamfaso. Ebi ni examples me do amede ma way. State Insurance. Any Ghana Commercial Bank. And ebi nsusunsun ni say a state institution, Social Security and National Insurance Trust. And one also edis kako investing in hotels. I have full document here in terms of almost profitability level. Will be what hope your friends saying hotels will be for the past 14 years. We're making losses for 11 years, 11 continuous years. It be the 8, it be the 10. Kosa ye musa ye hone se. Ye manen tonko so sa na engu na emoyana. And the answer any Ghanaian ebeka say no. Ghanaian be ebeka say no. Said yes ikwe. Eko se yan kugu. Amanfo nyuma enhwere wo mo. SSNIT fo sika enye kwa. Obi ani hwa obusan kusana obeka say ensay. Cuz ensay dia. Enie SSNIT na nkasa ewo ni board of directors and now say board members management at the assemna ko board or more bobo ho awie ehun say it's here say it here near this baby remo name mo choice o making say this time round no o ha mo chichimu aduasia enko ma private capital emrami rem na aban edie no SSNIT die no enso so no o ha mo nchichemu aduanan 40%. Tieni yo emfie du baako onyamfa so hotel no ye o manager party no assets no ehia maintenance repairs sanema wenim nyina agiegu amanfo a wo mo ye adwuma wo ho esese etimi ewo ho na etimi create jobs no amanfo SSNIT for the full statement have a troublesome a kwanya omo fa so a wo mo ebo ade hu dawro ewo man Ghana eni amanone omo ankasa e de krata troublesome akirem pefe kwan yom fa so omo wieye esa ka say oh omo ye first one kura wieye no na omo feel say bi kura no mbese anya company foforo kura omo nso betimi aba BDB na aye kama amaye womo san ebie mu for the second time omo close ye no mo hwehwe nsimu nyina no Rock City Hotel ono ni proposal or the buy hwehwe ono de buy say the obetua any bibia no de na ewo soro sabe say no de no wo soro dia ene na che say ono no de no mu si gina say omde amana said kosana na ubusa say conflict of interest issues no me kana ha last time I mean kan sisu biem say Joseph Witter or ye Shraj for a penny Yura John Dramani Mahama former president and appointed, you know, if my memory serves me right. For me, Oshe and Numa investigations are why ye on conflict of interest or the idea never talk about tia minyan amanfo womotimi akwetiano de okaye. So the issue of conflict of interest no Yera kujeta brakwa say or the idea no Shraj.
Yeah.
Enti adan yen twen ma Shraj emfa ne finance emra. Me de ɛhɔ na obi a wodi sa nkomo we bibia ɛhɔ na me pesa me twe obi a adwene ko. Say yes or your minister of state. Yes, the company na ye Rock City no. Rock City very 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 profitable. Rock City what good track record. Rock City is either the best or among the best of hotels in the country. Enti hono de mempese ye bekoho. Baby a meme how pa wa meme feel say yetimi hwehwe mu ne say ni minister na odie no ye no ana etimi ma na hoden bi emma ni timi di wurawura mu emma ebi kra de wo mo be de ba ya na ye chain Rock City de no nanso so ye di wo mo de ne to nchen ne de ma no and all of that one I'm waiting for.
Okay.
Macho what just here?
Matiwa say.
Aha. Ye no na medie me twen.
Okay.
Say ya me two way, ma me fa end it. And I'm say public in no. Me as board member, I think I can not that I think I can speak about it. Colonial days. And yeah, the graphic by. I'm a member of board member of graphic communications group. Management kra no omo aketua osome miensa osome mienu ze omo momoni ade tua staff no dia omo ankasa management no na ewo ho a yentimi nya dai entua the level of investment I require into graphic and the level of competition face ye. I'm talking about certain natural things because of innovation. And almost state enterprise nintino. Sabi predators and yes be now omo directors and as a management omo be chairman not sabi omo adwene nyadwumo. The news say radio is going to be very powerful means of disseminating information. They also saw clearly said television and also bapa but a buying restricted graphic to maintain newspaper. But you know want me and diversify. Yes, want to me. Yeah, money requirement and diversify into radio and television. And ne obia craphone unti sa media you know sa or digital platforms obia a king kind. na yi free enti no newspaper sales na nkasa de kofom covered esade ebe kan ye chi say is going on to the Ghana Stock Exchange say ankran credium sika eden eba be wuremu ehun hihye nyina eguso a ekoso. I'm saying I can speak to it because now it's a public information. In the past I was very tight-lipped. There's no way I'll talk about it. But what you say. But now it's in public. And so if I tell you the number of staff at Work Graphica is over 400. So na say oh 10 amanegu abra ankrankre sika eba be remu digital platforms no betimi are very strong. There are other areas mintimi mo boni na din ewo hase ya yen kra na before say the ebe ko public in terms of say e person the cost stock exchange no ni identify name be but where is the money?
All right,
so
mama ko
she kasa na kasa ya ton so yes ye chire mu a ne nkrabata we nyina na sese yetimi mama for eden etiase bride de no me only issue and they say conflict of interest. See a trash side any free ho dia Evans diaka bia no me fi say ebe ye mogu amame.
Okay, all right. Meba PBO na mama ko doc